with me openly and ostensibly like a skillful matador, finishing round an infuriated bull. It was obvious that he was enjoying himself, that it was for this that he had disturbed my repose. He wanted a little sport, and what a sport like being chased by this huge, lumbering windmill of a creature who tasted so good and seemed so helpless and so stupid. Reference: these lines have been taken from the lesson A Fellow Traveler, written by A.G. Gardner. Context: the writer describes the reason why the mosquito disturbed him. Perhaps it wanted a little sport, and it was nice for it to play with him. Explanation: the writer was traveling alone in a train compartment. He was suddenly disturbed by a mosquito which bit his nose. He decided to kill it, but in spite of all his efforts, he could not kill it. The mosquito was playing with him like an expert matador who moves around an angry bull. It was enjoying this game, so it had disturbed his rest. It liked some sport to pass leisure, so it was chasing a person who was very big and heavy like a windmill. You can open the window or shut it without provoking a protest. You can open both windows or shut both. Indeed, you can go on opening them or shutting them as a sort of festival of freedom. You can have any corner you choose and try all of them in turn. You can lie at full length on the cushions and enjoy the luxury of breaking the regulation and possibly the heart of Dora herself. Only Dora will not know that her heart is broken. Friends, as above, context: in the given part, the author explains the freedom in the railway compartment when we are all alone. Such condition has been explained nicely. Explanation: the writer says that his journey in the last train has given him many opportunity of doing anything he likes. He is able to play with the window without any objection because there is no one to create hindrance in his work. It is a real joy of freedom. He is able to play, sing loudly like a rock star on the stage. He can do many deeds which are prohibited in the society by the law. It is joyful because we can do anything without caring about breaking of any social law. He wants to describe his essence and joy during journey with loneliness.